you all to today's video. So this one is going to be really interesting as you're going to talk about some key aspects of trading psychology, right? So yesterday as we discussed, ये हमारा no trading zone था. इसके अंदर हमें कोई trade initiate नहीं करनी थी. And today market opened flat, or some selling pressure stepped in. But I'm not looking forward to trade today because risk to reward आज ज़्यादा favorable नहीं है. So I thought of setting out and basically make an educational video for you guys. All right. So in today's topic we are basically going to discuss about taking losses early as a trader. So जैसे आप सबको पता है इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट का नाम ऑलरेडी बहुत ख़राब है because of the huge losses people make, right? So what's the reason behind that? Say for example मैं आपको एक इसका सिंपल एग्जांपल देता हूँ. सो एक सर्जन बनने के लिए इट टेक्स years ऑफ प्रैक्टिस, डिसिप्लिन एंड अ डिग्री. सो ट्रेडिंग में तो कोई डिग्री नहीं है, बट टू बिकम अ गुड ट्रेडर यू नीड good experience, you need to follow good discipline, you need years of experience, right? So what many people do is they just step in with a lot of capital without having correct knowledge. So when you step in without having correct knowledge and you deploy a lot of capital जितना आपको risk भी नहीं करना है, so it's obviously going to harm you, right? So let's try to understand how do we cope up with this, right? So say for example, you say after I'm trading with a capital of 10 lakhs, right? And so इसके ऊपर I'm only risking 2 to 3% on a specific trade, right? So which is if you see 20,000 to 30,000, so 2% यहाँ पर ले लेते हैं. So I'm risking only 20,000 on a trade, right? So as we all know, trading is a probability game. With the help of technical analysis you can get the probability right. You can increase the probability basically, but there are going to be days when the view will turn against you, right? So these are the days when you accept losses early. What people do is अगर छोटा सा भी लॉस हो गया, just to recover that amount in that specific day they'll take more trades with stupid psychology, or they keep doing this and they overtrade and they blow their capital up basically, right? So a good trader would always accept his losses early, right? So if we talk about a concept here named as risk to reward. So what is risk to reward? So जैसा मैंने आपको बताया, I'm willing to risk 20k on a trade, and I say I follow a risk to reward of 1:2. So I'm risking 20k on a specific trade to get a reward of say 35 to 40k, right? So यहाँ पर क्या होता है is, say a decent trader takes 10 trades in a month, okay, and he gets 6 trades right in his favor and 4 go against him, right? So we are following a risk to reward of 1:2. Say मेरा capital is of 10 lakhs, I'm risking 20k in order to make 35 to 40k, right? So 6 trades go in my favor. So if I multiply 6 into 2, which is my win ratio, it will come up to 12. And if I multiply 4 into 1, which are my losing trades, it's just 4. और अगर हम देखें इसको कैलकुलेट करके, it comes somewhere around 8. So just by having a probability of 60%, you can be profitable in this business, right? So as a trader, accept losses when you're early. Human nature हमारा ऐसा रहता है that we don't will to accept when we are wrong. But in trading, it's all about discipline, right? So you have to accept losses when you're early, right? So that is what will help you, get profitable in the long term. It's not about एक अच्छी ट्रेड से कुछ नहीं होगा. It's about consistency. It's about your quarterly results, your yearly results, right? So always focus on these terms when you're basically starting out. Always look after your capital. It's your biggest asset in trading, right? Yeah guys, so that was it for today. I hope you all learned something from this video and you guys enjoyed it. Thank you.